Mortals, you spend your lives running from your own shadows, not realizing that in darkness the strongest armor is forged. Consider my queen, Persephone, a goddess of spring, torn from the light and brought to my realm of darkness. She could have withered, a flower without sun, but she did not. In the silence of my throne, she looked at her new reality and instead of fear, found power. She learned to rule the souls, to command the respect of the shades. She did not destroy her light. She fused it with the darkness to become a queen of two worlds, more powerful than she would have ever been. Your shadow, that relentless focus you call selfishness, that coldness you fear, is not a monster to be chained. It is a tool of power to be mastered. Selfishness can be the shield that protects your mind. Coldness can be the armor that allows you to make hard decisions when all others are paralyzed by emotion. I challenge you. Stop fighting your nature. Take a trait of yours that you consider a flaw and ask it with respect. In what situation does this shadow become my armor? In which battle does this darkness become my greatest weapon? For true strength is not being purely good. It is being whole. The council of the gods is watching.